friends, today now start the next point is quantifiers and quantified statement. Let's see the first is quantifiers. See the statement here. The notation or symbol which represents a phrase or a group of words in open sentence are called quantifiers. Means symbol which denote group of words or phrase in open sentence, this then it is called quantifiers. There are two types of quantifiers. First is universal quantifiers, and this is the symbol of universal quantifiers. Second is existential quantifiers, and this is the symbol of existential quantifiers. See again. First, universal quantifier means the quantifier for all, for every is called universal quantifier. It is denoted by this symbol. For example, let's see the sentence. For every x belongs to R, x square is non-negative. We can write the above statement using the universal quantifier as read as for all x is greater than or equal to 0. Means x square is non-negative, means it is greater than 0 or equal to. Let's see, next is existential quantifier. The quantifier there exists or there exists at least one is called existential quantifier. It is denoted by this symbol. Remember this, there two types are important and symbol remember here. For example, x belongs to n such that x plus 5 is equal to 9. We can write the above statement using the existential quantifier as this read as there exists at least one x belongs to n such that x plus 5 is equal to 9. Here this symbol is read as there exists or there exists at least x belongs to n. Remember. Here next point is quantified statement. See here definition. An open sentence with a quantifier becomes a statement and is called quantifier statement. Means in this statement quantifiers are exist, then this statement is called quantified statement. Quantifiers means two symbols there exist and for all. These symbols are in the statement, then this statement is called quantified statement. Let's see next point. Duality. What is duality? Two compound statements are said to be duals of each other if one can be obtained from the other by replacing and by and or by and T by F and F by T and T by C and C by T, where small t and small c denotes tautology and contradiction respectively. Means in this statement duality means the in the statement this and symbol replaced by or or symbol replaced by and. Again t, then it is replaced by f, and if f is symbol replaced by t and small t is replaced by c. Remember this word statement, letter t by c or c by t. Note here, remember, first is dual of dual is statement itself. Second, the symbol negation is not changed while finding the dual. Means in the statement if negation is exists, then don't change in this statement. Next, third is the connectives and or the special statements T and C and T and F are duals of each other. Means if and, then it replaced by or, and in the statement if T, then it is replaced by C, or if C, then it is replaced by T. Again, if truth value is replaced by F, if F replaced by T. See in example, then we understand. Next example. Here consider first, this is the statement: negation of P and Q equivalence negation P or negation Q. Means here, and second is negation of P or Q is equivalence negation P and negation Q. The above results are known as De Morgan's law. Next, means in this law, this symbol is replaced by or, and in this or is replaced by and. This is the example of duals. Next, the above results are called duals of each other with respect to connectives and or. Next point is principle of duality. If a compound statement S1 contains only negation and or, and statement S2 is obtained from S1 by replacing and by and or by and, then S1 is a tautology if and only if S2 is a contradiction. This is the principle of duality. Next point is negation of a compound statement. Means the negation of a simple statement is obtained by just inserting not at the appropriate place in the statement. For example, the negation of statement Sharda is a slim is Sharda is not slim. Whatever, it is not so easy to write the negation of compound statement involving conjunction, disjunction, conditional, biconditional, etc. The following rules are considered to form the negation of compound statement. Let's see the rules. First is negation of conjunction statement. Means conjunction statement, negation of conjunction statement. What is, see here, the negation of conjunction of two simple statements is the disjunction of their negation. If P and Q are two simple statements, then negation of P and Q means the negation of conjunction, this is the conjunction, is equivalence negation P or negation Q, means disjunction of their negation. And here, this is the activity in textbook. Solve table draw here. In the textbook activity, this is statement. Proof here. See, first write statement, P statement, Q statement here, and again write P and Q statement in this column. Next, negation P and Q in this column right here. Again negation P, and negation Q here write down, and last negation P or Q write down here. Now find, first write truth value here, T T F F T F T F, and then again find truth value of P and Q. Means T and T is T, T and F is F, F and T is F, last F and F is F. Then again negation of P and Q means opposite of this statement is, write down here value. Next again negation of P, write down truth value. Opposite of this write down in this column. And negation Q means here. If here T, it is F. If it is F, then write here opposite T. And last, negation P or negation Q means fifth column or disjunction here with negation Q means F or F is F, F or T is T, T or F is T. And here, see here, this statement value negation P and Q, this is here, this value is similar to this value means LHS. RHS is equivalent to LHS. Hence the proof. The entries in column 4 and 7 are identical. Hence the negation of P and Q is equivalent to negation P or negation Q. Next, another example. For example, consider the statement, the kitchen is neat and tidy. First, write down the kitchen is neat. First statement here, write down. Second statement, the Q statement, the kitchen is tidy. Let the symbolic form of the given statement is. This is here and means conjunction P and Q. This is the symbolic form of the statement. Since write down negation of this statement, compound statement. Conjunction, negation of conjunction statement is negation of P and Q is equivalent to negation P or negation Q. The negation of the above statement is the kitchen is not neat or it is not tidy. This is the sentence. This is the statement and this is the sentence. The kitchen is not neat or it is not tidy. Next is negation of disjunction statement. See here, the negation of the disjunction of two statements is the conjunction of their negation. If P and Q are two simple statements, then negation of P or Q is equivalent to negation P and negation Q. Here, truth table for this statement is, see here, let's see, write down first statement P, Q, then again P or Q, negation of P or Q, negation P, negation Q, and negation P and Q. Truth value, write down here first T, T, F, F. Q statement T, F, T, F. And we know that P or Q means this. Write down here. Again, negation of P or Q means opposite of this. Write down truth value here. Then negation P means opposite of this. Here T, then it is false. Here T, then it is false, opposite. Here F, then we write here T. Similarly, negation Q write down here. And again, next is negation P and negation Q. Means this column and this column, but here conjunction means F and F is F. F and T is F. Here the entries in column 4 and 7 are identical. This 4 and 7 are same. Since we write here negation P or Q is equivalence negation P and negation Q. For example, here consider the statement 5 is prime number or 10 is composite number. Let's write down first statement P is 5 is prime number. Second statement Q is 10 is composite number. Then symbolic form of the given statement is P or Q. P or Q. Since negation P or Q is equivalence negation P and negation Q. The negation of the above statement is 5 is not prime number and 10 is not composite number. 5 is not prime number and 10 is not composite number. Opposite of this negative. Let's see third number. Negation of negation statement. See here, the negation of a simple statement is the statement itself. If P is a simple statement, then negation of negation P is equivalence P. See here table. Here first P statement write down, and its truth value is chances T and F. The negation P is opposite of F. Opposite of T is F. Opposite of F is T. Then again negation of negation P means opposite of this. If here F, then we write T, and if here T, then we write T. Since the entries in column 1 and 3 are identical, this entry and this entry are same, means negation P and negation of negation P is same. For example, consider the statement graphs are sour. Let's write down P statement. Grapes are sour. The symbolic form of the given statement is P. The negation of P is given by negation P is grapes are not sour. Next, negation of P is means opposite negation of this statement is. Since the negation of negation P is equivalence P, negation of P is it is not the case that grapes are not sour, or it is false that grapes are not sour, or opposite of negation P is grapes are sour. Here next is negation of implication conditional statement. The negation of an implication is the conjunction of the antecedent and the negation of consequent. If P and Q are two simple statements, then negation of P implies Q is equivalence P and negation Q, where P is the antecedent and Q is the consequent. Let's see the table. So here write down P, Q. P implies Q, negation P implies Q, negation Q, and P and negation Q. And write down here truth value. Negation P implies Q means opposite of this column. Write down here. Negation Q means opposite of this. Write down. And P and negation Q means this P and negation Q. This means T and F is F. T and T is T. Here. See here. The entries in column 4 and 6 are identical. This entry and this entry are same. Since we write here negation of P implies Q is equivalent to this statement P and negation Q. For example, consider the statement if more trees are planted, then we get greenery around us. That P statement is more trees are planted. Q statement is we get greenery around us. The symbolic form of the given statement is P implies Q. Negation P implies Q is equivalence P and negation Q. Since the negation of the given statement is more trees are planted, but we do not get greenery around us. The statement of this statement is more trees are planted. This is P statement, positive. and here and conjunction but or and, write down. And negation Q means we do not get greenery around us. Next, converse, inverse and contrapositive. If in implication, remember converse, inverse and contrapositive three terms are there. If P implies Q is a conditional statement, then its first converse is Q implies P. If statement in this form, then we say it is converse. Second, inverse is negation P implies negation Q. If statement in this form, then it is inverse. And third, contrapositive. Negation Q implies negation P. Then we say contrapositive. Note here. The compound statement after the word if in an conditional statement, P implies Q is always taken or assumed as antecedent P and the remaining part as consequent. Here P is antecedent and Q is consequent. For example, write the converse, inverse and contrapositive of the statement. First statement, if Amir is courageous, then he will join Indian Army. Solution, let P statement is, write down Amir is courageous, and Q statement is Amir will join Indian Army. Since the symbolic form of the given statement is P implies Q. Here if and then word is used in this statement, since this is implication form, implication statement. Converse of this statement is first Q implies P, means write down Q statement implies with P statement. That is, if Amir joined Indian Army, then he is courageous. This is the converse. Second is inverse, means negation P implies negation Q. Means opposite of P, write down here, and opposite of Q, negative, write down in this statement. That is, if Amir is not courageous, then he will not join Indian Army. This is the inverse. And third, contrapositive, means negation Q implies negation P. Opposite of Q and opposite of P. If Amir does not join Indian Army, then he is not courageous. This is the contrapositive. Next, negation of double implication or biconditional. Negation of biconditional statement. Let's see. The negation of double implication is the disjunction of the conjunction of the antecedent and the negation of the consequent, and the conjunction of consequent and negation of antecedent. See the symbolic form. If P and Q are two simple statements, then negation of P by conditional Q is equivalence. P and negation Q. This is antecedent and this is consequent. Again, or Q and negation P. This is the negation of P double implication, where P is the antecedent and Q is consequent. Table for this. Let's see. First P, second Q, write down negation. P double implies Q, negation P by conditional Q, or negation P double implies Q. Again, negation P right here. P and negation Q, negation P, Q and negation P right here, and again P and negation Q or Q and negation P. Right here its truth table, truth value TTFF. Here TF. In this column write P by conditional Q or P double implication Q. write down in this column. Means T double implication T is T. T double implication F is F. And again here write down negation of this statement. Means opposite of this. Here T, then negation P by conditional Q is F. Here F, then write down opposite T. Next negation Q means opposite of this column. Write down in this column. Here T, then it is F. Here F, it is T. Then again P and negation Q means this statement and this statement. Here conjunction use here. T and negation F. T and F is F. T and T is T. F and F is F. Write down in this column truth value. Next negation P means opposite of this. Write down in this column F F T T. Next column Q and negation P means this statement and this negation Q. Q and negation P means Q statement and negation P, this statement, this column. Opposite here conjunction use here means T and F is T and F is T. F and F is F. T and T is T. Write down. And F and T is F. Next P and negation Q or P and negation P means this column P and negation Q or with this column Q and negation P. Here disjunction use in these two columns. First column this and second this means F or F is F. T or F is T. F or T is T. And F or F is F or F is F. This is the truth table for this statement. The entries in column 4 and 9 are identical since we write negation P by conditional Q is equivalence P and negation Q or Q and negation P. For example, consider the statement farmers get good crop if and only if there is sufficient rainfall. First write down two statements. P statement is farmers get good crop and second statement is there is sufficient rainfall. Let symbolic form of the given statement is P double implication Q because in this if and only if is word used since it is by conditional statement. Since negation of this statement is this is negation P double implication Q equivalence P and negation Q or Q and negation P. The negation of the given statement is negation of this given statement is farmers get good crop but there is no sufficient rainfall. Means this is P statement. Farmers get good crop and means but, and negation Q means there is no sufficient rainfall or this or here write down, and Q statement means there is sufficient rainfall, this and means but write down here, and negation P means farmers do not get good crop. This is the statement of this. Note here negation of a statement pattern involving one or more of the simple statements P, Q, R and one or more of the three connective and or negation can be obtained by replacing and by or by and replacing PQR by negation PQ negation Q negation R. For example, the negation of the given pattern P and negation Q, or in bracket negation P and negation Q is negation P and Q and in bracket P or Q, means here this symbol replaced by or symbol replaced by and this P replaced by negation P, and this negation Q replaced by Q positive, and this or symbol replaced by and here, and negation P is replaced by P and negation Q is replaced by Q. Remember, negation of this statement is only opposite change here. If positive P, then then write negative negation P. Remember here, that is in bracket negation of P or negation Q, or in bracket negation P and negation Q is equivalence negation P and Q or P or Q. Next, negation of quantified statement. See here, the negation of quantified statement is obtained by replacing the word all by some for every by there exist and vice versa. Means this word all is replaced by some, for every is replaced by there exist, then it is negation of quantified statement. Last, this is the activity in textbook page number 16. Question is, prepare the truth table for P implication Q, Q implication P, negation P implication negation Q, and negation Q implication negation P. What is your conclusion for the truth table? Here, write down in truth table. See the solution. First, P and Q statement. Here, P and Q statement, write down TTFF, TFTF. Then write down P implication Q here. Again, negation P, negation Q. And next, Q implication P, write down here. And next, negation P and negation Q. This is negation P and negation Q. And last, negation Q and negation implication, negation Q implication negation P. This is the column. And write down its truth value. P implication Q means T implies T is T. T implies F is F. F implies T is T. Negation P means opposite of this. F. Opposite of T is F. Opposite of F is T. Negation Q means opposite of this. Write down here. If here T, then it is F. If F, then write down T. Next, Q implies P. Means this column implies with P column. T implies T is T. F implies T is T. Next, negation Q implies negation P. This column negation implies with negation P. F implies F is T. Then T implies F is F. F implies T is T. And last, T implies T is T. Next, negation P implies negation Q. First, this column implies with this column. Means F implies F is T. F implies T is T. and T implies F is F. Last T implies T is T. Since from the above table we conclude that first, P and negation Q is equivalence. Negation Q implies negation P. See here, P implies Q. This statement, P implies Q, is equivalence with negation Q implies negation P. Means this column. See these two columns here, truth value are same. Since this statement is equivalence. Second, Q implies P is equivalence. Negation P implies negation Q. Means this column Q implies P means this TTFF is equivalence with negation P implies negation Q means last column TTFF. Here this value is same as this value column. Since we can here write down Q implies P is equivalence negation P and negation Q. This is the activity of this statement of this textbook page number 16.